to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and today we're gonna visit our service shop and check out one interesting job that we're doing. This is something that a common problem on Bentley Continental GT. It is also a common problem on other vehicles in warm climates. A headliner sagging. So we're gonna visit our service center. It is after hours, and today we removed the headliner, a sagging headliner, from this gorgeous 2005 Bentley Continental GT. This car has a little over 20,000 miles, impeccably well maintained. It's a sold car now, and when we sold it, we told the new owner that we will be working on the headliner. So today the headliner was removed, and let's take a look at what is in fact the issue with all these headliners that are sagging. And by the way, Bentley is a beautiful car. The interior of Bentley is outstanding. Check out this quality leather. The leather is nice and soft. And yes, the headliner on this Bentley was made from leather, is made from leather. So how is it made? We have the hard backing, which is formed and engineered to the design, the specific design. You can see it has somewhat, actually somewhat soft structure. If you look at the cross section of this part right here, you can see it actually has some condensed foamy substance. And then what the lucky owner of the Bentley sees and touches is this beautiful leather. And then this leather is attached to the backing through means of double-sided foam sheets. The problem with these foam sheets, they don't hold up very well with heat, and they start to disintegrate and fall apart. And then they allow a separation of this beautiful leather from the hard backing, and then it starts to sag. So there are a couple of ways that this can be repaired and addressed. The first thing you need to do is to remove the headliner, which is a big job, but it can be done. Once it's removed, the material can be replaced altogether. It can also be repaired, and we will discuss that option here, because that's what we're gonna do on this vehicle. If you replace it, you could rarely match the beautiful leather. So our first choice is to do the repair. And to do the repair, we're going to scrub all this off. We're going to clean it. Using different tools. We're going to do the same to the leather on the inside. And then we're going to apply the adhesive and put it all together and put it back in the car.